There's several aspects about fly fishing that I love. Not only the places it takes you, the beauty of the river, the sound of the water, just the energy of being in it. I feel like I'm at home and this is the place I should be. My name is Matt Mendes. I'm a fly fishing guide in Warm Springs, Oregon, and I'm a Warm Springs tribal member. I've been fishing for 20 years at least. I started guiding when I was 15. I'm 34 now. And I started fishing about 12. First time I ever casted a fly rod is right here. I pay homage to my granddad. It's all his fault. He taught me how to be an outdoorsman. He was the first Native American fly fishing guide in Oregon. He opened the reservation to non-tribal members to come and enjoy this beautiful place. You know, being that I have a big appreciation for this reservation, I respect the land. It's really important to me to protect this land because, I want to make sure that my kids have something to come to when they get of age. And not only my kids, but tribal youth and the future generations coming from our tribe. Al was definitely a water protector, and he taught me to follow suit and play a bigger role than just a fly fishing guide here, just being a steward of the land. The Deschutes River is a very special place to me. My entire life is based around this place, and it has been since I was a child. There's no other place in the world I'd rather be. I have a generational appreciation. I was raised on this river. It's home, it's like family to me. The Deschutes River is everything to me. Once you're in it, you'll really understand how special the Deschutes River is, but not only that, the Warm Springs Indian Reservation.